Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to the discussion on projection of points. Under this, we are discussing now problems on projection of points. For solving the problems on projection of points, we need to have the basic idea about what do you mean by orthographic projection of points, how we are going to project the point when the point is in different quadrant. That particular basic knowledge is required for solving the projection of points. So this information is supplied in the earlier video. So if you didn't watch the earlier video, watch it right now. Earlier video on projection of points. Now we'll move to the problem. Draw the projection of the following points on the same ground line, keeping the projectors 25 mm apart. Point A in the HP and 20 mm behind the VP. Point B 40 mm above the HP and 25 mm in front of the VP. Point C in the VP and 40 mm above the HP. Point D 25 mm below the HP and 25 mm behind the VP. Point E 15 mm above the HP, 50 mm behind the VP. Point F 40 mm below the HP, 25 mm in front of the VP. G in both HP and VP. So here we need to keep a gap of 25 mm between two consecutive projectors. So first we'll draw solution for all these points. So before drawing the solutions for all these points, we need to have basic idea about projection of points in different quadrants. So first bit A in the HP and 20 mm behind the VP. So its front view A dash is an XY line and top view A is 20 mm above XY line. As this 20 mm behind the VP means in top view we'll see the horizontal distance, and this horizontal plane is rotated 90 degrees clockwise direction. That's why it will come above XY line. Point B is 40 mm above the HP and 25 mm in front of the VP. That means the point is in the first quadrant. So its front view B dash is 40 mm above XY line and top view B is 25 mm below XY line. C in the VP 40 mm above the HP. So its top view C is on XY line and front view C dash is 40 mm above XY line. D 25 mm below the HP, 25 mm behind the VP. That means the point is in the third quadrant. So top view D is 25 mm above XY line and front view D dash is 25 mm below XY line. Point E 15 mm above the HP, 50 mm behind the VP. So its front view E dash is 15 mm above XY line and top view E is 50 mm above XY line. That means point E is in the second quadrant. F 40 mm below the HP, 25 mm in front of VP. That means the point is in the fourth quadrant. So both the views come below the XY line. Its front view F is 40 mm below XY line and top view F is 25 mm below XY line. Point G in both HP and VP. So its front view G dash and top view G both will be on XY line. Now we'll draw all the projection of points A to G on the same ground line. As a first step, draw XY line, that is reference line. Then draw projectors for point A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Keeping distance between two consecutive projectors is 25 mm. So first we'll draw projection of point A in the HP and 20 mm behind the VP. So its front view A dash is on XY line and top view A is 20 mm above XY line. Next, distance between this projector and this projector is 25 mm. Then point B is 40 mm above HP. That means front view is 40 mm above XY line and 25 mm in front of VP. Top view is 25 mm below XY line. So this is B dash and B comes below XY line. Next, point C in the VP. So its top view is on XY line and 40 mm above HP. So its front view is 40 mm above XY line. So this distance is 40 mm. Next D, 25 mm below the HP and 25 mm behind the VP. That means this point is in the third quadrant. So D dash is 25 mm below XY line and D is 25 mm above XY line. Next E, 15 mm above HP, 50 mm behind VP. That means this point is in the second quadrant. So both the views comes above XY line. So its front view E dash is 15 mm above XY line and top view E is 50 mm above XY line. Next, F 40 mm below HP, 25 mm in front of VP. That means this point is in the fourth quadrant. So both the views comes below the XY line. So F 40 mm below the HP. So F dash is 40 mm below XY line and 25 mm in front of the VP. F is 25, that is top view. F is 25 mm below XY line. G in both HP and VP, its front view G dash and top view of G, both will be on XY line. Here, the gap between two consecutive projectors, that is A to B, B to C, C to D, D to E, E to F, and F to G is 25 mm. Here, the point should be dark, whereas remaining lines to be lighter. So point is with H pencil, remaining lines with 2H pencil. XY line is little bit darker than the construction lines and dimension lines. All these dimensions are in millimeters. That's about first problem on projection of points.